In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from X, formerly Twitter, for free using a simple method that works even if you don't have a premium account. I'll also show you the safer way to do it, plus a few important tips so you can avoid copyright and privacy issues. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. Now, if you do have a premium verified account on X, there is a built-in option on some videos where you can click the gear icon and download the video directly. That is the easiest method, but not everyone has access to it. So if you want a free method, here's what you do. First, open your browser and go to x.com or Twitter, depending on which version you use. Then find the exact post that contains the video you want to download. It's important to open the post in full view because that helps you get the correct link. Once the post is open, copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. If you're on mobile or using a different browser, you can also use the share option and copy the link that way. Next, open a new tab and go to a free online X video downloader. There are several tools available and the process is usually very similar. Once the site loads, you'll see a box where you can paste the tweet link you copied. Click inside that box, paste the URL, and then press the download button. After a few seconds, the tool will process the video and give you one or more download options. In many cases, you'll see different quality choices, so pick the one that works best for you. Then click the download link or button, and the video should save to your device. If the downloader asks you to wait, refresh, or complete a quick verification, just follow the prompts on the page. Most of these tools are designed to be simple, so you usually only need the post link and a few clicks. If one downloader doesn't work, you can try another trusted free tool with the same method. Now, before you download anything, I want to mention something important. Always respect copyright laws and the creator's rights. Don't download and re-upload copyrighted content like movies, music videos, or TV clips unless you have permission to use it. And if the video belongs to someone else, make sure you give proper credit if you plan to share it somewhere else. Also, avoid trying to bypass privacy settings or download videos from private accounts. If content is private, it's private for a reason, and you should respect that. So to quickly recap, if you have premium, you may be able to download directly from the video options. If you don't, just copy the tweet link, paste it into a free online downloader, choose your quality, and save the video to your device. It's fast, simple, and works in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.